Hey everyone, thank you for joining. So in this video, we're going to be working with Dynamics 365 for marketing, and we're going to create a set of videos to extend your knowledge in this very robust platform, extremely extensible, pretty easy to use for both end users and developers as well. So very excited to work with you guys on this. Let's go ahead and get started by looking at this contact, Yvonne McKay. She's a purchasing manager at Fourth Coffee, and she's located in Redmond, Washington. Okay, so she's a contact, and so we're going to build a segment. We're going to go ahead and start by understanding segments, how they work, specifically dynamic segments, because they're very powerful. So let's go ahead and create a brand new segment, and it's going to be a dynamic segment. Now, what's the difference between a dynamic segment and a static segment? Very simple. A static segment is the almost equivalent, almost dynamic, or almost a one-to-one with a marketing list, what you traditionally know as a marketing list, that is static. A dynamic segment is essentially a marketing list on steroids that is dynamic, with a lot more flexibility because it allows you to do a lot more. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's create our dynamic segment. Let's skip over this segment templates functionality, which is really cool, by the way. Um, it's kind of like the ability to templatize your setup, but we're just going to skip over this. In your definition, let's give our segment a name so we know what we're doing, and so that we also, our end users, know how we built this and what the meaning of it is. So contacts that are located in Redmond. And then we'll add a query block. And then we do want to use the contact entity for selecting the conditionality here. But notice how you have all these other entities here, like the lead, which is a critical one. You have the account, and some other critical ones like the event, which come with this module. There's some other ones in here like surveys and event registrations, which will help you. But at the end of the day, it's really, the account, contact, and lead are gonna be your big breadwinners. So, anyways, all right. So let's select our attribute, and that's going to be address one city is, and I would do a contains, just to be careful, Redmond. And that should be good enough. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to click save here. And then once you save, you can go live, and that's going to publish your segment. And then within like 30 seconds to a minute, you're going to have this members tab. Sometimes it happens a little bit quicker depending on the performance of your environment. And then you can look at your members. Let's take a look at our members. So there you have it. There's Yvonne McKay. We have Paul Cannon and Kevin Martin. So let's just take a look at Paul Cannon, for example, and see if he's located in Redmond. He is. And let's look at the other person. Kevin Martin at A-Datum Corporation is located in Redmond as well. So there you have it. You've learned how to create a dynamic segment based on a parameter or a condition on the contact level. Thank you so much for watching.